Alright, I'm going to introduce to you a new tool. It's not a stapler. This is a new pruning tool by STIHL. Just picked this up in a local hardware store. Already used it a little bit. Looks like it's got the unit for the battery here. Only came with one battery. There's the charger right there, and I had to buy an extra battery. Battery was $39. I think you can sometimes buy them a little cheaper. But the tool itself, listed for $159, actually only came out to $149 plus tax. And you can use it right or left hand. It's got the toggle for the safety, and it's not a variable speed. It's on. That's all it is. There is to it. Comes with this nice little cover. And then it's adjustable. Get the chain and you can pull it off of there, and then that gets out of the way. And it's of course made in Germany by the STIHL Corporation. There's the tag, if you can see that. Hopefully you can see a lot of it. And it also comes with a little bottle of oil. Multi-oil bio is what it says. So let's go out and we'll cut up a couple of trees that are kind of in the way, and we'll see what that happens. We'll look to see what this thing can do. I don't have a whole lot to chop down, but I do have a few items. I'll take you along with me. I'll bring the camera along and leave the tripod in here. It's a little windy out, so let me see if I've actually got a mic. See if my microphone is charged up. Looks like it is. We'll put the little shooter mic on there and see if we can get you out there. So I'll be right back. Alright, here we are outside. It's been trying to snow a little bit all day. Pretty cold out. Anyway, we've got our saw here. We've got this little thing of oil, and all you have to do is put a little bit around where the bar is. And I usually run it just a little bit and just kind of, yeah, hopefully you'll stay there because it's going to try and snow just a little bit. So I'm going to go over here and get a couple of these branches that are broken here and see what happens. Let's see how she does here. Pretty decent sized little bits of this lilac bush. You do have to make sure that it's up against this little ramp here. It doesn't have the biting teeth like you'd find on a chainsaw. Let's see if I got something else here that you can chop. A 2x4. Tell it wanted to stall a little bit. Let's see what the battery life is. Looks like it's cut one of the bars off, so it's not doing too bad. And then every once in a while you just need to give it just a little bit more of a shot of your oil. Let's see how she does through this knot right here in this piece of wood. Not bad. Pretty good though. Let's try this. This was a elm tree. It's a little bit dry. Let's see how it does. Should make it halfway through it. Not bad. You can see it cuts it right through. Let's do another one. Pretty good. Alright, well, pretty good for a little STIHL. That was actually cheaper than the last one I looked at. Was going to be the Milwaukee, which is 2 batteries and a charger. A little bit longer, but this one I thought would be a little bit more compact. And it is. It's really nice. It doesn't feel like it's very heavy weighted on either end. With the battery in there, it kind of offsets it, and it has that long handle on there. So I think that's a pretty good deal, and it's, like I say, ambidextrous, so if you're left hand or right hand, I think you can use it. You just got to keep a little bit of lubricant on the chain, and I think you're good to go. So seems like a pretty good deal to me. I think I paid $149 for this at local hardware store, and I think it was $39 for the additional battery. So I'm going to give it a thumbs up, and thank you for watching. Like, share, and subscribe if you like to, and we'll see you on the next one.